All right, busting out the Benz. And I haven't driven it yet this year. And I was like, I wonder when I drove it. And it was covered in pollen and everything like that. And the way I knew it's been a while is because the AC was on full bore 84 degrees on both sides, which means it's currently 92 degrees outside. I haven't driven this in a minute. Now, started right up, but it's not so happy. Now, it's telling me to visit workshop. I'll just go through the messages here. Reduced braking power to press brake pedal fully. It's now 96 outside. And it doesn't stop beeping. And it says battery alternator visit workshop. Now, I expected that to go away. The battery alternator thing happened after I started it. And it started right up after a couple of months of just sitting. But the battery alternator thing, I figured, well, I drive it a little bit, the battery will charge, and we won't have that problem anymore.
Take the parking brake off, Rob?
There is no parking brake on.
Oh, the light's on, that's why.
Nope, that's part of the depressed brake pedal fully part. But needless to say, car not incredibly happy. And then probably the worst part about my, let's call it summer mode. And summer mode on this car was going to be swap the hood, swap the, let me just go off-roading in this thing because I can in my yard. The summer mode here is going to be swap the hood, swap the front bumper, and you'll never know that this car is a snowplow in the winter. But the air conditioning here, see? Full max cold, or even it don't work. Now, this thing says there's something, I'm going to put the windows down because that's the only way to try to stay cool. It says convenience features don't work when the battery is having issues like it is. Visit workshop, but I don't think the air conditioning is considered a convenience feature. So we're going to have to get this thing checked out. Ultimately, it's hot in here. I mean, words can't describe a car in 90+ degree temperatures that's black with no air conditioning, but you can assume I will be sweating by the time I get it over to a shop. But possibly one of the most annoying things on the planet is that beeping doesn't stop. Doesn't. Like, that beeping is sort of maddening. Doesn't go away. Now, I'm just hoping that my brake pedal continues to work, because that beeping makes it seem like a critical failure here. But there's warning lights, and then there is the incessant, I'm going to keep beeping, because if you don't get this thing serviced, you're going to be in deep shit. And that's what I'm having right now, which is the deep shit beeping thing. So, time to drop this car off, or at least get it checked out. Part of me wants to just throw a new battery in it, see how it reacts. But if the battery can just be charged, why bother? You know what I'm saying? But maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I'm up in the air. What do you say, Jimbo? Battery or no battery?
Let's go no battery. Let's just take it to a shop.
But what if I bring it to a shop and they're like, oh, it just needs a battery. It'll be $200. Now I'm paying a guy $200 to tell me it needs a battery, but the car is clearly.
They're not going to charge you They're not going to charge you to check it out, though. Not $200. Just take it to a regular mechanic shop. They might just.
You hear that? That's the ABS. I don't know why. It has its cycle fits. But who knew that my Mercedes would be a better winter car than the summer car? Because right now, I mean, this thing doesn't work at all. And that could be the blower motor. I don't know. It could have. I can't imagine that they tied the AC into the battery. But I'm not even getting like a faint. Like
it's
just.
Off.
It's pretty much off. I'm getting a little gust. But that's about it. But it's hot in here. So my car is now presenting me with $1,000 problems on a $1,000 car, which is not what you like to have. But stand by. I'll keep you in the loop as to what it is once I get this thing checked out, and I'll be able to tell you how to make that go away. How to make, like, if I had air conditioning and no beeping, all the other warning lights mean nothing to me. But right now, that's annoying as shit. And the no air conditioning is probably the most annoying thing that I can have go wrong with this car right now. My friend's car.
Who would do this?
All-wheel drive, so plowed well. But
I've never seen it. So just bolt it to the hood?
Well, the plow mounts here, and then the winch is to lift the plow up and down.
So do you want to keep the winch?
Oh yeah, no, this is all gonna, like I may switch it over to summer mode, which is just like, get a junk hood, because it's black.
Right.
Mercedes black, I mean a used hood. If I even want to swap the bumper, just leave it like that, but just a used hood, which will come with the grill. Even this grill was one of my fans being like, oh, I got a grill that fits that. And it's obviously not even big enough to fit it, so I just threw a zip tie on it.
Gotcha.
But she hit this, and then the front bumper was cracked, so I didn't care about tearing it up.
Right.
It's annoying me right now because it's doing that like beep 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 thing. Oh, it'll keep doing that. It's got an alternator battery thing.
Okay.
It's saying that the brake isn't working properly, so I have to fully depress the brake, and the AC isn't working.
Okay.
So I don't know if that's all tied into a low battery. It fired right up after the winter.
It could. Honestly, it could be throwing codes because it's not.
But the AC would be?
AC is a different scenario.
Yeah.
Unless it's some type of relay that's not allowing the compressor to get
Yeah, I mean, I get like accessory functions not working, but the, yeah. So I lost interest in looking to fix it. I was going to go throw a battery in it and see what happened, but I figured I could leave it with you and you can do that.
Okay. This week's tough because it's a short week. I have a wedding I have to go to this weekend.
Should I just bring it to some gas station or something?
You could. There's guys around the corner that are really good.
Where's that?
East side. You know where they are?
Towing shop?
No. If you make a left here, where that bus is coming out, you take the road to the end, you can walk there. They're right in front of you. This guy's name's Joe. Super nice guy.
Ah! It's hot in here. Hot. It's on, right? Oh, look at that. I really had to get the brake pedal. It wouldn't even go into gear. Alright, there you go. Okay, yes sir, the brake is not working so well. Let me build up a little bit of pressure in that. Turn it off. It's not so confident now. Let's see if this works at least. Fuck.
Your battery is dead, my guy. Should have brought my car.
Yeah, this thing was running. I turned it all, like it started up 10 times. It was running.
I think you actually just need a battery, Rob. Or the alternator's not charging. That's probably what it is.
I think the parking brake was the only thing I changed.
But now you've got nothing.
Be fun. Cool. Well, what? Stop. What's up? Stop. Stop. I think the battery crapped out. Which I was not expecting. The brake pedal was almost non-existent.
Go ahead. You want to try jumping it first?
Yeah, let's give it a shot. But I guess it may be the alternator. If it's not charging, it may be.
Could be.
Nothing, not even popping the trunk.
No.
Well, that's not good.
Is the car unlocked?
It just beeped. You had the trunk open before?
Yeah, it was open yesterday. It's just this little handle.
There you go.
There we go.
Beautiful. Wow, there's a bunch of prizes in there.
Yeah, you want matches? We'll light this thing up.
Love it.
If this battery's shot and the alternator's gonna crap out, so the alternator might not be working. That may be our problem.
It's a good possibility.
But it gave me no issues all winter. And it started right up a day ago.
Here, why don't you take that? Still running?
Yep. Can you shift it now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. That's good.
If this thing's still fucked, I'll bring it back next week.
Sure.
Just let me know.
Sounds good.
Cool, man. All right, we're in Jimbo's car. I pulled the battery out of my car, and we'll see if that fixes most, if not all of it. It's nice to get in the car with air conditioning in this hot weather.
Well, we turned it off for audio.
It's like, I could have probably I could have probably done this on a cooler day because it's not like I need this car. It's just, it was there. And when something is there, you have to deal with it. And I did, and it happens to be like the hottest day in recent memory. But when it's done, it should be glorious. So, AutoZone, here we go. Is that AutoZone? Is it
Advanced?
Advanced, whatever, same thing.